Hey guys, this is Carla Dennis, and I want to talk to you about running your business based on facts, not fears. This is such an important concept, and this is a concept that we should really be utilizing all year, no matter what time we're dealing with. Because business owners need to make sure decisions are factual, decisions are not based on what you think is going on, decisions are not gossipy, that is actual facts. So how do you acquire facts to actually run your business? Well, it's important that in your business, you have the proper systems and process set up. That's very key. One of the most important systems that you can have set up in your business is your accounting system, because numbers do not tell stories. Numbers are factual, numbers are accurate, and numbers will tell you exactly what's going on in your business. With your accounting system set up appropriately, you can track all sorts of numbers in your business. You can immediately see how much your business is making or lack thereof. You can immediately see how much you're expending out every single month. You can immediately see what you're spending your income on. It's important that you're tracking your numbers, and it's super important that with tracking your numbers, you also have a budget set up. It's so easy to squirrel and tell yourself, I want to spend money on X, Y, and Z, when X, Y, and Z is not going to get you to your end goal quicker or faster. So even with a setup accounting system, you need a budget. And a budget is very important, and you want to look at that budget often. I personally look at my budget on a weekly basis. I want to go budget to actual. What did I say I was going to spend? What did I actually spend? And when you do that, when you make decisions, you know your decisions are based on facts, not fears. And when you have to deliver news, whether it's good news or bad news, you have some support in order to deliver that news. So again, as business owners, I want you to run your business based on facts, not fears.